Hello everyone, my name is Kamal. In this video I'm going to discuss about float and display. So let us see how the float is functions. So here I already format my code. So I apply in my code, I apply the an order list, and then I have the flag graph. I wrote some texts. Let us run it. Look at how I format it. So I'm going to come over here and write the float like this. Let us say float, let's say semicolon, let's say left like this. Left is a double quotation. So let us run it. Look at how the text and an order list have moved around. It seems like it's wrapped around it. So that is how we are going to write the float. Let us see the right size like this. Let's say right. Look at how I move this order list text to the right size. So that is how the float is working. So let us see how you can use the display. So if we remember, we all know what does I mean by a line and block element. So if we see this an order list is we can say it is block element, because it has been taken the whole of of the page. So let us see how the display is functioning. If we remember, we can use the spin like this. Let's say item 1, items 1. Let's say close it. Let's add another spin over here. Let's say items 2 like this. Let us run it. Look at how the inline element display next to each other. So let us see how the display is working. We are going to come. Let us write like this. We are going to come over here and write style like this. Let's say style. So equal to, let's say display like this. Display like this. Display semicolon. Let's say inline. Display inline. Let us come over here. Write style again like this. Style so equal to display semicolon. Let us say inline, comma. We'll come over here again. Write style. This say display semicolon. Let's say line. So semicolon. Let us come over here again. Let's write style like this. So equal to display this line, comma. Let's look at how my text has been display next to each other. This is a line element. It doesn't take hold of the page. So we can also use another properties of display. Look at another properties, none. If we wanted this home to disappear, we are going to write none over here. This about we wanted it to disappear. Let us write none. So let us look at, we only have the content and blocks, so you can modify it as what you want. So this is how the display is working. Now we have the brightest number of what of display element. If we come over here, look at, we have this block content, we have this flex. If you see here, line display an element as an inline element. This is an W3 scope. CS display properties. That is why you can go over there and see and check another another display properties. So that is this. If you have any questions, you can leave a message under this video.